This tutorial is a companion to the Working with the Editor Introduction tutorial and focuses on editing in bulk the record levels. Using the timeline described in the introduction tutorial, the editing of the levels will be applied to the whole timeline. Start by opening the editor window. Select Level from the Attribute to Edit field. And then set the scope of the records to edit to all records. The Data View section will then populate with the list of levels used in the timeline, which in our example are level 1, 2, and 3 as well as the default level which is always part of all timelines. When editing levels on the whole timeline, the following bulk editing operations are provided. To add a level to the database, click on the plus icon from the Operations sidebar. In the window that opens, specify the values of the new level, then click on the Add button. The operation will create a new level in the timeline but will not assign to any record. You will have to use the other level operations to assign the newly created level to a set of records. For our example, let's create a new level, level 4, and assign it the value 50. To edit an existing level, select the level you want to edit from those listed in the Data View table, then click on the pen icon from the Operations sidebar. In the window that opens, set the new values of the level, then click on the Edit button. You can edit either the name of the level, its value, or both. Let's change the setting of level 2 by renaming it level 2 bis and changing its value to 60. We can see in the table view that the Group 2 level was changed to 60, and you can also see that the location of the Group 2 records in the display view was changed in regard to their new level value. You might want to check the tutorial on how to work with levels if the reason for this change is unclear. To merge two levels into one, select one of the two levels from those listed in the Data View table, then click on the Merge icon from the Operations sidebar. In the window that opens, select the level you want the selected level to merge with, then click on the Merge button. Let's merge level 2 bis with level 4. You can see that level 2 bis is not listed anymore, and the table view confirms that the level of the Group 2 records is now set to level 4, which value is 50. To delete a level, select the level you want to delete from those listed in the Data View table, then click on the trash bin icon from the Operations sidebar. The records using the deleted level will have their level set to the default one, that is, level value of 25. Let's delete that new level 4 that we just created. The table view shows that the level of the Group 2 records is set the default value of 25. Note that the adding, editing, merging or deleting operations are enabled only when the scope of edit is the whole database. With the other scope options, you can only change the level assigned to the records. To see how that works, let's recreate the level 2 that we just deleted, and then let's select all the records of Group 2. Open the editor window and change the scope of edit to selected records. Only one operation is now available, which is changing the assigned level. Select the default level value, which is the current value associated with the Group 2 records, and then click on the Change icon. In the window that opens, select the newly recreated level 2. The table view shows that the records are now assigned the level 2 value of 35.